My name is Michael Seitz, and I'm part of the Photonic Nanomaterials and Devices Laboratory at the Universidad Autónoma de Madrid. And what we are interested in is exploring the new properties of nanomaterials. To do that, we take existing materials with a specific set of properties and structure them at the nanoscale to obtain a completely new set of functionalities. A very nice example of this structuring effect at the nano and microscale are the beautifully colored wings of butterflies. These wings are normally made out of colorless material, but by structuring them on the nanoscale, nature managed to create these mesmerizing colors that we all know from the butterflies. Now in our lab, we're also interested in structuring our materials. In our case, we use semiconductors, and we structure them on even smaller scales than butterflies. Now chemistry allows us to do that in such a way that we can change the size and the shape of these materials with an atomic scale precision. By that, we can even change the electronic properties of a material and, for example, precisely choose which part of the sunlight a material absorbs. This change in electronic properties can also be seen as a change in color, which was also part of my previous research at MIT. As you can see, the structuring of materials gives us a new turning knob to precisely modify the material's properties and obtain the materials that we desire and also need. In a way, you can think of it as adding a whole new dimension to the periodic system. Now, around 1 year ago, I started my doctoral studies thanks to the Infinite program, and I joined the brand new lab of Dr. Prince. Now, being the first group member was, and still is, very exciting to me, but it also meant that we started with a completely empty lab. However, now 1 year later, we are already getting our first results, and also our group is growing rapidly. In the coming years, I would like to study these new materials that I just mentioned before. And also, one thing that I'm particularly excited about is combining them with photonic structures. This will hopefully allow us to better control the material properties and also better understand how these materials interact with light. This extended control can hopefully and finally help us to more efficiently harvest the sun's energy and also to make LEDs which use much less electricity than the ones that we are using nowadays.